Up next, we have Nick Cullen from Kern County Animal Services today with us, and he has a furry friend. Who do we have this week?
Well, good morning, Ryan. Good morning. I have with me Carney.
Okay.
Short for Carnegie. Carney is one of the dogs in the shelter that we just all love as a staff. We always have a soft place in our heart for the older dogs to come into the shelter.
Right.
We want to see them get a home. So Carney, we think he's probably a little bit of a Queensland mix. We thought he even might be a relatively exotic breed called Shiba Inu. But he's relatively small. He's only about 35 pounds. He's older. He's about 10 years old. But he's still got a lot of life left to live. He's a little bit spunky. Get him out in the play yard and he'll start running around. But he's going to make somebody a cool addition to their family.
Right. Now, what type of family would you recommend him for?
Well, I wouldn't say that he's going to be winning any triathlons anytime soon, so maybe not super active. But like I said, he's still got some life left in him. It'll keep him healthy and happy if he is relatively active. He might be a bit of a couch potato and probably sit on your lap all the time because he seems to enjoy that. But he gets along really well with other dogs from what we've seen. He's potty trained. He knows when to go potty outside. And he's not very vocal. He does shed a bit, but about 35 pounds, he's going to complete someone's family, we think. And the fact that he gets along with other dogs helps.
Oh, that's great. And I know viewers that are watching, you heard that potty trained already. And that's a huge addition to somebody who's looking to have a dog in their home for the very first time. Has anybody fostered him yet?
Not yet. He's only been with us for about 2 weeks.
Oh, okay.
But foster is an option for Carney. We don't even put restrictions on it. If you want to foster a dog just for a couple hours, we can arrange that. If you want to take him for the weekend, we can arrange that too. It's always beneficial for our pets to get out for a little bit.
Yeah. So if somebody wanted to take Carney home, where can they find you?
So they're going to come to the Kern County Animal Shelter. We're located at 3951 Fruitvale Avenue. We're on Fruitvale just north of Rosedale Highway. He's such a good boy. We're open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Saturday, except for Wednesdays. We're open from 2 to 7. Come and see us. All of our adoption fees, by the way, all through the month of August, including Carney's, are free.
Wow.
Fee-waived adoptions all month on dogs and cats. So come out and see us. If Carney's not your dog, we'll find you one that will be.
That's awesome. We love what you all do, and thank you for bringing another beautiful animal that's looking for a home. Thank you so much. Now, that is all the time that we have for today. Thank you for watching. If you have a business that you would love to be aired on Kern Living, please email me at ryan.nelson@kero.com. We love our community, so we want to highlight any type of businesses that you all have that our community should know. So make sure you also follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. I will see you on Friday, same time, same place.